Hey guys, it's Q. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just wanted to show you guys my top 3 balloon stands that I use for most of my parties and events. These balloon stands are pretty much easy to put together and great to use for any type of events. So if you're interested in seeing my top 3, then stay tuned. Okay, so my number 3 balloon stand is made from PVC pipe. It's very budget friendly. So I do have a bunch of PVC pipes around my home just from previous projects that I've done. So you really don't need that much. But the one I'm using right here is, I cut it down to about 5 feet. And then the extenders right here for the legs, they're approximately, I think, around 12 inches long. So you're going to need 4 of those. And then the connectors I'm using, this right here is the 5-way connector. And next I have the little caps that go on the end of the 12-foot poles, but they're optional. You don't really need those. But I did choose to use it just to kind of make it look more professional. So all you have to do is start off by putting the caps on each of the legs. And next you connect the legs to the 5-way connector. From there you just put the middle pole into the center, and that is pretty much it, you guys. This will take you less than a few minutes to kind of put together. And then from there you just blow up your balloons. I have a balloon pump. I'll put a link in the description of the balloon pump that I use. And you can just create whatever kind of balloon column look that you're interested in. And the good thing about this stand is that you can make it whatever height you want. So I chose a 5-foot stand, but you can make it as tall or short as you like. And here's an example of my balloon stand once I fully put all the balloons on. It took hardly any time at all. Alright, so my next top balloon stand is a little simple single balloon stand where you can add 1 balloon. And this thing is so easy to put together, you guys, like really. And I have a bunch of these because you can throw them on your tables and use them as centerpieces. You can throw them all around your room. I've sometimes put them in the corners of my room for a party. So you can be so creative with this. So with this stand, it only takes 3 pieces, and 3 pieces in the balloon. And then basically all you have to do is take your stick, put it in the base like that. Make sure it's sturdy and push to make sure that's all the way in there. And then put the top balloon holder on top, and you just slide that on. Once you have that, you just take your balloon and you can take the bottom of the balloon, and there's this little hook at the bottom, and you just wrap that part of your balloon into that little hook right there. Look how simple that was, you guys. It's that easy. I really like using these because they're very quick to do, and you can put a lot of them up, and because they don't cost that much, you can pretty much just fill a room up with them. So again, this was my number 2, and if you want something simple and easy to put together, then these will be great. My number 1 top balloon stand is this multiple balloon stand. Now it may look intimidating because of all the pieces that you see, but I'm telling you guys, it is so simple to put together. And I like the fact that you can add multiple balloons to it, and again, it's just really easy to put together. So first thing I like to do is take all my pieces and lay them out so I know which connectors go with what piece And on the base, there's a slot for each of the little sticks. And then those are the connectors that I'm showing you right now. And you just connect those, and you just keep doing that for all the pieces. And this part right here is the actual balloon holder. Once you have that together, you stick it in the base, and voila, that one's done. And then you just repeat those steps. Once you have all your sticks in the base, you just take your balloon and take the end and just slide it under the hook, just like the other balloon stand, and just do that for all. I believe this balloon stand has it holds 7 balloons. So I mean, you can mix match colors, or you can use all solid colors. I mean, you can be so creative. I've seen people actually use was it Mylar balloons? I mean, there's so many different things that you can do with this. So once you have your balloons, that's it. Again, this is something that will only take you, a couple minutes to put together. And look how cute this is. Imagine having this on your table used as centerpieces, or have them displayed on the floors of your event. These are a great solution to just adding that extra wow factor to your parties or events. So this wraps up my top 3 balloon stands. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more details of the videos, you can actually go to the description. I'll put a link directly to each video where you can, I go more in depth about how to put them together. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care.